So maybe we'll start with Steve on the quick takeaways from today.
Yeah, so my principal takeaway would be there is a ton of uncertainty in this area. Never assume that you have an open and shut case, but you can use that uncertainty to your advantage, because an employer always has to be concerned about their potential risk, but you always have to be mindful that your client does as well. There's little in this area that's settled other than you may get a misclassification finding, but the what does that mean is a difficult question.
I would say that gradually over time, as we've had different matters litigated, like the Somers case, Kamara, that in the context of misclassification, you really have to look at beyond just the misclassification. Like Steve was saying, not every case has significant damages, but you really have to look at what's the broader impact. Are people who are misclassified missing meal breaks, working through meal breaks without getting compensated for that? Are they incurring mileage expense? All of those things could be significant damages.
I would say that these cases are very fact dependent. They're difficult to litigate, so think about that when you're making your settlement versus litigation calculus. Sometimes just a few facts can really change what it is. And the final thing I would say is, don't lose sight of the big picture. Don't get too enmeshed in the factors. The courts try to look at the big picture, and often they're pretty good at saying, what is this person really? Are they really working for themselves? Do they really have a business? Are they someone in business, or are they just kind of dressed up as something, nothing more than